Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the IAA Munich taking a look at the world premiere here, the new Renault Scenic. And as you can see, Scenic has got the all-new styling now. It's a completely different car compared to the predecessor. It is now an electric crossover, so let's check it out. So on the front we have the completely new face. You see the beautiful LEDs, LED Pure Vision, and then these daytime running LEDs that really make the car stand out even more. Then you have this grille. I mean, just look at the pattern here. Look how cool this is. And it becomes gloss black here in the middle. Of course, the new Renault badge is here. And you also see the front camera sensors. And I really love the appearance of the car, especially here with those LEDs and those daytime running LEDs. Love the fact that everything is in the similar pattern, the grille, the lights, the badge. So yeah, very, very cool indeed. As I said, this car is now an electric crossover. This is the side profile. Let's check out the wheels. This is, by the way, the ESPRIT ALPINE, the sporty trim. And here we have the Michelin E-Primacy tires. Let's check out the dimension, 235/45 R20 with the beautiful dual tone wheels, gloss black and silver. Charging port is here. There we go. And gloss black, nice contrast for the wing mirrors and the pillars and actually the whole roof. We have the beautiful panoramic sunroof. I will show you that as well. The door handles, they pop out, and you also see the pronounced side skirts here, and also the sidelines are so impressive on this model. Let me show you the rear of the car. There we go. You see the beautiful tail lamps. I mean, just look at this. They emphasize the width of the car itself. Also, the new Renault badge is here, and the Scenic lettering, E-Tech electric lettering here. By the way, lovely satin finish. Once again, goes very well with the gloss black elements here. Look at the pronounced rear spoiler, and also, of course, makes the car more aerodynamic. By the way, I didn't mention the C-pillars. Just look at this. You have the floating roof feel because of this very cool and funky design line here. Now, if we take a look here, open the tailgate, electronic tailgate, and here we are greeted with a lot of room, nice square shape, also some convenient features such as those hooks here, and you have the 12-volt power supply, hooks on your left as well, and some additional room here. So this is really, really good, very nice and practical. So not only stylish but also very, very practical indeed. Press this to close the tailgate, and yeah, well, share your thoughts with me. How do you like the exterior design? Just look at these strong design lines here. Of course, here we have also this for aerodynamics. And it is now time to check out the interior. Let's check this out. Cool door handles. And this is the lovely view in front of the driver. Some beautiful details such as the blue carpeting here on this model, and you have the special seats on the ESPRIT ALPINE trim. And without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, starting with a wider view, 12.3-inch digital cockpit in front of the driver, and here the main 12-inch touchscreen with the new infotainment system. Very cool details, very cool layout. And then you also have the beautiful ambient lighting throughout the whole car and a lot of storage room. Of course, this car, I mean, this model was also well known for its practicality, so now it's the same for the charging pad. And actually, let me change the view and show you more details. Alright then, so the 3-spoke steering wheel with the multi-sense button. Here is where you can change the driving modes and then also configure what you have in each of those. So for example, if you press the configure, you can then change the ambient lights, which are very cool here. For example, look at this, and you see you change the layout of the screen itself as well. There we go. And let's press OK, go back. Driving settings can also be adjusted in here, but let's change the driving mode to comfort, then eco. You get the green ambient lights, and of course the sport one with the red ambient lighting and more sporty theme. Now the AC is controlled here on switches, which is always nice to see, as it is very convenient to use it. Wireless charging pad, and now you see the huge amount of storage room throughout the whole car. Here you have additional room, and then you can also move this. Love the way that this stitching is matched to the stitching on the seats. And let me also show you the glove compartment. There we go. The infotainment system. So the menu here is different compared to, for example, the Renault Austral. And I really love this new graphics. And once again, here you have some driving assist systems. You can change them. And then settings. Here is where you can adjust a bunch of things. And this car also has the heated seats, which you press here in order to activate them. Vehicle settings. So welcome, then driving lights, cockpit settings, tire pressure and stuff like that. And there are also few views available in front of the driver. You change them by pressing this. So you see, this one is also very cool with the navigation. This is just flickering on the camera, of course. And yeah, well, that is it when we talk about the interior. Let me just show you also one cool feature, which is this roof. And now I've changed the view so that you can see. What you need to do is just do this and look at this. Just like that. And if you want it to be transparent again, press this, then it goes until this section. Press it again. There we go. You can see now everything that is above us, the lovely Renault badge. And then the sun visors, standard with the lighting here. And also I want to show you this, so the digital rear view mirror, and if you press this, then you can also adjust various things, so this can be really useful as well. This is the situation at the rear bench, and as you can see, plenty of room left. The ambient lights at the back as well, USB-C ports, then some storage area. This is the lovely view on the front, and this is how it looks for my head. I'm 1.87 m and still plenty of room left here, so that is a big thumb up from me. And here in the middle, look at this, 2 USB-C ports, and you can do this, and then you can also put a tablet here. The cup holders are here available as well. So yeah, very, very practical indeed. And here you can see how that looks when you have the tablet on. In terms of technical details, car sits on the CMF-EV platform and is 4 meters and 47 centimeters long. In terms of powertrains, there are two options. You can either go for the 170 horsepower electric motor or 220 horsepower electric motor. There are two battery sizes as well. With the bigger 87 kilowatt hour battery, the car has the WLTP range of 620 kilometers on a single charge, of course. And here we have them in action, dynamic indicators at the back, beautiful lighting signature. Here you see them on the wing mirrors, and then on the front, these daytime running LEDs, they turn into indicators. How gorgeous is that? And that was it, guys, the first review of the new Renault Scenic E-Tech. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come from the car show. See you on the next one. Bye bye.